Publishing your first point cloud with GeoSync GO 3D Publisher software. First step is to launch the software from the icon on the desktop. And we're going to maneuver this around over to the left side of the screen. Typical setup when we're doing publishing is we need to have a browser available as well as the GeoSync GO 3D Publisher software. This software has already been authorized. And the first step here is just to start 3D Publisher, and that will make a connection and bring in any point clouds that we've already published. If we go to our folders tab, we'll see we don't have any. There isn't any. This is a brand new account. The first step here is to create a new folder, and we'll call this sample point cloud. And we can fill in some other information here if we like, but we'll just go ahead and accept the defaults. And we've now created a new folder for us to publish to, sample point cloud. In order to preview the point cloud, we need to have be signed into our GeoSync Go Plus account in the browser. So to do that, we're going to go to geosyncgo.com, and then we can go to login and sign in using the same login we used to authorize the GeoSync Go Publisher software. And we can open a default map or just go to the account area. We just need to be signed in so that we can preview our point clouds as we publish them. So back to the 3D Publisher, the first step is we've created a folder and now we're ready to publish. We go to our Publish tab, and we can open up and look at this list of point clouds that we have available. These have been installed with the software, so these are samples that have been included. If I want to pull in my own LAS or LAZ file, I can go to the import option here, browse, find my own LAS file or LAZ file, and import that into the list as well. Or I can open the data folder and browse and then drag and drop files into this folder. The location of the folder for the LAS and LAZ files to publish from can be found under settings. We'll have the local path for LAS and LAZ files, and you can browse and change this path if you would like to do so. But let's go back to publish. We select the point cloud we'd like to publish. I'm going to do sample sign, and then just click the publish button. And this is running, and as soon as while that's working, I can come back and author my document. And I'm going to make a few changes here. This is an RGB color type. Largely, I'm just going to want to publish this and look at it and then begin to author that and adjust to make sure that it's the way that I want it to be. I click Save and Publish. I can view 3D. And you'll notice here that this opens up in my browser, and then I can begin to see the point cloud in place. And we'll notice this is still running and publishing. You can see the progress bar is running, so this is still uploading information to the cloud. If we refresh, we can see this as in process. So one of the steps that I'd like to do is go ahead and set the camera location, camera and target location for when this opens. This is the view that I'd like to have. We can do that by coming to our scene. We'll copy our camera and target information, and then in our tool, we have a tool that will allow us to parse that information. Click the paste option, send this back to our document. We come to our document, we now see that the position and target has been set. Also notice that our point cloud is fully published now. Save, click view 3D. This will open up another version of this, or we can come back to the one we had and just refresh the browser. And now when this opens, it opens to this particular location. Try that again. And that's how we publish point cloud. So now you've completed your first point cloud.